Hi there, it's Grant here from the Investment of the Decade. I hope you're having a great day. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to let you know my thoughts about a potential crypto coin that is poised to explode. Now, this isn't necessarily my view because I'm not really a crypto expert, but doing a lot of research and listening to a lot of other top crypto experts. And the consensus is this particular crypto coin is poised to explode at some point in the future, and it could be the near future. And also after that, what I'm going to do is just going to have a look at the crypto market and look at the top crypto coin prices. But before I get into that, nothing in this video should be taken as investment advice. If you want to invest in crypto, please do your own research. And better still, why not sign up to a top crypto financial advisory service? If you're interested in joining a crypto advisory service, I can recommend one. It's called the Poised Letter. It's run by a guy called Tika, who's one of the top crypto experts in the world. Gives a lot of in-depth crypto research, tips, and also there's a full-on crypto course for you beginners who want to get started in crypto but don't know where to start. If you want to join the Poised Letter, there's a link down below. It's only $49 for the year. Absolute bargain. I've been a member for 18 months and I love it. Anyway, so if you want to check that out, I'll leave a link down in the description. You can check it out if you want to. Right, on to today's content. So, what is this crypto coin that's poised to explode, and why is it poised to explode? Well, I'm on about Ethereum. Now, a lot of you might be rolling your eyes because you might have heard, oh yeah, Ethereum's going to explode, blah, 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 blah. Well, just hear me out for a second. So why is Ethereum's network poised to explode? Well, at the moment it's on the proof of work protocol, but it is moving to proof of stake. And why that is significant at the moment with the proof of work protocol, a lot of big miners are using very expensive and energy intensive equipment to push or sort of validate transactions on the Ethereum blockchain, and at the moment they can only do 30 transactions a second, which isn't really that much, and it's also quite expensive. But when Ethereum 2.0 comes out, it goes to proof of stake, it's going to change how the network processes transactions, and instead of only processing 30 transactions a second, it can do thousands of transactions a second. And also when it switches over, the number of Ethereum coins available will decrease. Now, on top of that, Ethereum is a very active network. There's a lot of development projects on there. And in the future, it is becoming the top blockchain development sort of network on the blockchain. So Ethereum, there's a lot going on with Ethereum. There's a lot of projects going on. It's getting a massive uplift in terms of how it processes, transactions on its blockchain. A lot of active developers, producing new projects all the time. Not only that, when Ethereum 2.0 comes out and moves to proof of stake, and it's also going to accelerate a lot of other smaller coins as well that sit on the Ethereum network. So my advice to you is, I'm not advising you invest in Ethereum because you've got to do your own research and own due diligence, and I don't give, investment advice, but I would keep a close eye on it. And my particular view, sort of listening to a lot of experts recently as well, are that Bitcoin and Ethereum are really good stores of value, much like property. Now, I'll be honest with you for a minute, unless you've got millions of dollars to invest, it's going to be very difficult to make quick gains with Bitcoin and Ethereum because obviously they're quite expensive, especially Bitcoin. And even though Ethereum, what is Ethereum today? Let's just have a quick look. So Ethereum is sitting just under $3,000. I appreciate not everyone's going to have $3,000 to invest, but you don't need to. The thing is, if you want to, invest in, store some of your, I'm not advising you do this, but, if investors want to store a bit of value or some of their savings in Bitcoin and Ethereum, seeing these two blockchain networks are very, very established, very active, and not going to be going anywhere soon. And also they're becoming more and more adopted. They're going to be a good store of long-term value. Yes, the price of Ethereum and blockchain is going down, but I think the majority of experts believe, a lot of experts believe that Bitcoin's heading to 500,000 within the next 10 years per Bitcoin, and Ethereum could be going up to 40 or 50,000 dollars per Ethereum in the future. So in terms of sort of long-term investment, that's how you should be really looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're going to be one of the top sources of long-term value, much like buying a property. You don't buy property unless you're in the business and you enjoy flipping properties. Usually property is a long-term investment, and that is really the same with Bitcoin and Ethereum. And again, I'm not advising you invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum. I just want to stress that, but that's how really investors should be looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum. A store of long-term value to keep the investment for 5 to 10 years, so to increase your value. So Ethereum, a lot of experts are believing, could be poised to explode once Ethereum is fully changed over to proof of stake, because it's just going to make the network faster, more efficient. It's going to potentially send a load of other coins going as well. So keep an eye on that. So with that said, let's get on with the second part of today's video, which is going through the crypto market. So global crypto market is sitting at 1.86 trillion, down just over 5% on yesterday. So let's look at the prices. So Bitcoin is sitting at $39,932.87, down 6.15% on yesterday. Ethereum is at $2,980.05, down 5.39% on yesterday. Tether is sitting at $1, pretty much no change on yesterday. BNB is at $409.72, down 3.22% on yesterday. USD coin is sitting just under $1 and pretty much no change on yesterday. XRP is at $0.72, down 5.68% on yesterday. Solana is at $100.86, down 7.54% on yesterday. Terra is sitting at $94.47, down 4.36% on yesterday. Cardano is at $0.9, down 5.83% on yesterday. Avalanche sitting at $74.24, down 6.21% on yesterday. Dogecoin is at $0.13, down 3.62% on yesterday. Terra USD is at $1, pretty much no change on yesterday, very stable. Polkadot is at $18.34, down 5.27% on yesterday. Binance USD is at $0.99, down 0.2% on yesterday. And Shiba Inu is down 3.54% on yesterday. So if we just sort of look at the graphs on the right for the past 7 days, so yeah, there's been a downward correction over the past few days, pretty much with most of the major coins. So yeah, again, we all know this. The crypto market is generally pretty erratic. And there's quite a lot of volatility at the moment. And also, another reason for the volatility with Bitcoin is that a lot of new investors have come into Bitcoin. I learned this from a top investor, Tika Tuari. He says a lot of new investors have come into Bitcoin recently. And whilst the old school Bitcoin investors viewed Bitcoin as a long-term investment, they held it for long positions, a lot of sort of, smaller investors have come in and they're trading Bitcoin like tech stocks. So they're riding the peaks and the troughs. And that is the reason for a lot of the volatility with the Bitcoin price. So yeah, just thought I'd throw that in there. So yeah, a lot of volatility with Bitcoin and Ethereum at the moment. So, and generally the crypto market. So, but yeah, I think all eyes are on Ethereum at the moment, and also Bitcoin as well, because, whilst Bitcoin's definitely down on its high, last year was just, I think, $62,000. I'm pretty sure in the future, Bitcoin won't be staying at 39. In fact, I did actually hear another top crypto expert say Bitcoin could crash, or not crash, but go down to a low of 28,000, which for a lot of investors, that is really appealing to buy some Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dips under, sort of 30,000, it could be a good opportunity to buy Bitcoin, because, if it goes that low, it won't be that low for long. It will rebound pretty quickly. But anyway, that's what I've got for you. Obviously, I just want to reiterate, nothing in this video should be taken investment advice. If you want to invest in crypto, please do it at your own risk. Please do your own research. Also, if you want to check out the Palm letter below, which is done by Tika Dwyer, who's a top crypto expert, so you can get all of his top crypto research and picks. I'll leave a link to that down below in the description. So anyway, that's what I've got for you today. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will speak to you soon.